and it's got the x-axis here. But it actually works a bit differently than that, because that isn't the x-axis right now. With how this tool is set up, the x-axis is there. So the x will change based on the angle of the milling head. X is always down from the tool. It's the direction that you're going to be cutting in. So we'll talk a bit more about that because there's something cool about turning the head. So we also have the B axis, which is the rotation of the head. We have the C axis for the spindle, and we have the Y axis, which is impossible to make an arrow for because it's coming this way out of the screen.
Yeah. You should have put a hand in.
So with all the different labels, this is what we have. You can see where the issue of trying to describe how many axes there are comes into play, because we've got, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different letters with 9 different options for what to move,